Hi, I'm Kathleen Young. I'm here to show you how to use resume writing software. Over here we have our Winway Resume Writing Deluxe. This program is actually rated #1 in the top 10 resume writing programs available on the software. Here you'll see there's a simple resume format along with a letter, how to contact people, how to respond to them, how to even write and prepare your own envelopes. There's interview opportunities and questions to ask, including a video. There's salary information. Additional resources are available as well. If we go on back over here to our resume, this is the most simplest part that will allow you to include matching keywords for your resume and the job you're seeking. This is the most valuable item that an employer is seeking. Simply click on the area and include, according to the easy user-friendly template, your name, such like that. Moving on over, clicking on your objective, adding in AutoWriter, allowing you to place in the name of your job title. Let's put in, for simplicity, clerk. As a clerk, you have an option to look at numerous job titles. These include license clerk, adjustment clerk, storage clerk, things of that nature. Let's just click on one. Let's say you're still seeking to be employed as a mortgage clerk. You now have a section that you can select for your objectives that may be closely related to the job that you're seeking. Let's just select one. Insert and close and tell it OK. Simply enough, the item is right there on your paper. You didn't have to do any of the typing. That's what makes this template so user-friendly. Let's click on Experience. You now want to use the same description that you've already implemented with your objective. Here, you will now find all of the job duties, including the action verbs and, again, those keywords that I mentioned that will be equivalent to the job that you're seeking. Simply click on those, insert them, and it will go directly onto the paper. There you go. You now have started your resume, and you're able to continue on with identifying additional duties that you have performed.